I don't do makeup on my channel, but a lot of you have asked about the different shades of lipstick I use and the brands. So here's a quick rundown of what I used in different videos. My favorite that I use is these two. Now, this is not a lip liner. I was desperate for a brown lip liner. I couldn't find one in the store that I was visiting, and I was on my way somewhere. I grabbed it. This is by Gosh, and it's a 003 Espresso, which is an eyeliner, but I love it, and apparently so do you. So I use this eyeliner as a lip liner. Then I use NYX lingerie, and NYX is really becoming one of my favorite brands that I use. They have a huge range for dark skin. It's very close to my skin color. Actually looks like I've matted out the two tones in my lips. So that's what I use almost all the time. And my inspiration, and I hate saying this, but was the Kardashians. Okay. Not because I want my lips to look like this, but I loved the contrast of their skin color to their lipstick. And I wanted to find something for my dark skin that I could have the same balance of contrast. And this combination of chocolate lip liner with NYX lipstick, that just gave the perfect balance for my skin tone. The other thing that I like to do is mix my colors. So I use the same brown lip liner. Then what I do is I take a little bit of this like candy floss pink. Color is called Tokyo, and it's by NYX as well. And I use a little bit of that right in the middle of my lips so that it goes from chocolate brown to pink to chocolate brown again. And I do that so that I have like a very nice shaded look. My favorite red to use is the one that I'm using right now, and that is by Maybelline 50 Voyager. Love it. I think it's going to suit a lot of dark skinned women as well. This is a Superstay matte lipstick, and it really does stay on for the whole day. If it wears off, it's only on the inner part of your lips. Finding a bright red lipstick to match my skin tone has been very difficult, and I suppose it's the same for a lot of women out there. And I found this also by NYX, and it's a lipstick and a lip gloss. It's called Shine Loud on a Mission. It's SLHP 18. And so when I want to have a shiny look, when I'm going extra sexy, you know, simple eyeshadow and very pouty lips, then I use this. This here is very bright, but what I do is I take a darker shade of a lip liner, one that complements my skin very well, and I use that lip liner and I blend it in with this so it doesn't stick out too much. And I find that's the trick, that if you're choosing a lipstick that's too bright, that you just go with a lip liner within the same color palette that's better for your skin tone, and then kind of blend it in together. You get to enjoy a larger range of colors. And when I'm feeling daring and dark, there's another NYX lipstick, and it's called Copenhagen with the code SMLC20. Those are the lipstick colors, ladies, and I hope that has helped you and that you can find all of these brands there.